Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. In this short video, I'm going to talk about hypothyroid diet tips. Now, I work with a lot of patients who have hypothyroid symptoms and or they're diagnosed with hypothyroidism, and also if they have an autoimmune disease referred to as Hashimoto's. Now, the biggest mistake that a lot of my patients who have low functioning thyroid, now one of the functions of the thyroid is to control your metabolism. And when you're suffering from hypothyroidism, this is when you're putting on weight without even trying. So the biggest mistake I deal with my patients is they cut their calories too low. Now, when you cut your calories too low, actually you're starving your metabolism. You're not taking in the nutrients that your body needs, okay, because you're in fear of gaining weight. So I always recommend that don't cut your calories. What you want to take in more quality calories. You want to take in more quality lean meats. You want to take in more quality fats. You want to take in a good amount of vegetables, because you want to actually feed your metabolism. Even though you have a low functioning thyroid, you still want to feed your metabolism and not starve it, because if you starve it, you're actually going to slow your thyroid function even more. Next, prepackaged foods. Prepackaged foods loaded with soy protein isolates, the worst thing you could possibly put into your body. Why? Because soy protein isolates is a low quality protein. It's genetically modified organisms, and it's loaded with estrogen. Soy stimulates your estrogen receptors, which in turn lowers the function of the thyroid even more. So if you have a hypothyroid disease right now, the last thing that you want to ingest in your system is anything soy. That'll bring it down to even more. Next, stimulants. Now again, one of the functions of this thyroid is to supply our body with that feeling of energy. Okay? Now, I understand a lot of my patients are fatigued. They're feeling tired because of a low functioning thyroid, and then they dip into the coffee, the diet pills, the stimulants, the monster drinks. And what that's happening, why that's so bad, is because you're taking a low functioning thyroid, you're jamming it with a bunch of stimulants, and you're increasing the chances of thyroid burnout through your adrenal system, okay? Because the adrenal system, that's your stress hormones that works in conjunction with your thyroid gland. So when you're taking in too many stimulants, you're actually further the chances of burning out your thyroid even more. This is why they crash when they come home. So these are 3 tips. Again, don't cut your calories down any more than they are. Take more quality calories. Prepackaged foods. Stay away from the soy protein isolates. And also from the stimulants. If you are tired and if you need a stimulant, I always recommend taking like a natural stimulant, like a green tea, something like of that nature. Because yes, it does have a little bit of caffeine, but the amount of caffeine is not going to be enough to really have a dramatic effect on low functioning thyroid and your system. And also too, green tea is loaded with antioxidants, which will help your body's inflammatory response due to daily stresses of life. So, again, just 3 diet tips. Thanks for watching. See you next video.